Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We're about to dive into one of the most practical and powerful features of Google Maps: navigation. Whether you're navigating your daily commute, exploring a new city, or planning a road trip, mastering navigation can make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Let's start with an overview of map types. By default, Google proposes that you use a default view. This view shows streets, landmarks, and geographic features. It provides a general layout of an area, including road names, building outlines, and points of interest. The satellite view displays high-resolution satellite images of the Earth, offering a bird's-eye perspective of landscapes, buildings, and natural features. It's useful for seeing terrain and visualizing locations more realistically. The terrain view highlights elevation changes, such as mountains, valleys, and hills. It's particularly useful for outdoor activities like hiking or understanding the geography of an area. The section below includes map details that can help you increase the efficiency of using Google Maps. The public transportation view shows public transit routes and stations, including buses, trains, and subways. It's helpful for planning trips, using public transportation, and understanding service areas. The traffic view overlays real-time traffic conditions on the map, indicating congestion, accidents, and road closures. It helps you choose the fastest route and avoid delays. The cycling view highlights bike paths and walking trails, useful for planning routes that avoid vehicular traffic and focus on safer, more scenic routes. The street view allows you to virtually explore streets and neighborhoods with 360-degree imagery. This feature provides a ground-level view and can help you get familiar with specific locations or landmarks. To explore locations, just tap near the needed point on the blue lines on the map. You can move around the map using the arrows displayed at the top of the screen. Note that you can also turn, as a 360-degree view is available to you. You can also check the air quality so you can avoid areas with poor air conditions, which is particularly important for those with respiratory issues. Additionally, monitoring wildfire locations allows you to steer clear of potentially dangerous areas, ensuring that your journey is both safe and comfortable. So, we've covered the different map views and details. Let's move forward.